Hello, my name is Katie, and in today's tutorial we will get to change the yarn color, and I would love to show you my technique. I found it very easy to follow and to change yarn. Hello, my name is Katie. I am a crochet and knitting addict, sorry. And today's tutorial we will change yarn in continuous circle. So let's dive in. Now we are beginning. I have here the end of the row. Normally you can make a slip stitch, but in today's video I will teach you how you can change yarn without all that. So you insert the hook in here in your stitches, then you pull through, and then you make one single crochet in the next stitch, and just like this you pull the other little yarn that you had, and you are ready to go with the new color. Cut off. You can wave in the ends at the end, or you can make a knot and just work like this on it. So like this, both yarns, both threads, and this is it. So like this, and this is it. It's very simple. You don't need to make knots, and you work the single crochet up on the yarn. This is it. Have fun. Subscribe and like for more videos like this one. Thank you.